Good day guys, so, nandito ngayon tayo sa site saan ginagawa ng bahay. Yan. So ito na yung development. Today is August 28, 2023. Holiday ngayon. So ito yung sa labas. Yan. Yan. Ito yung labas ng house. Yan. So hindi pa tapos. Lalagyan na yan ng bubong. Ikot tayo para makita natin yung ano. Then okay, ito dito hanggang dyan. So far dito sa kabila ay nagawa na yung firewall. Yan na, nakataas. So yan, kunti na lang tatapos na rin. Okay, so ito nandun. Yan, ngayon pasok tayo. Tingnan natin yung ano. Okay, dito yung carport. Okay. This is the carport. Yan. And then here another carport dito. Okay, so tayo dito sa loob. Ito yung ground floor. And ceiling. Okay, and then the dining area. This is the first ground floor toilet and bath. Ito. And then the first room. Dito naman yung powder room sa may ano ng hagdan. Okay. And this one, itong room na to ay ang pantry. Okay. And this is the kitchen. Ito yung kitchen dito. So, may mga arang ikot tayo. Tapos kitchen. Ito yung papuntang auxiliary kitchen. Okay. It's auxiliary kitchen. Ito. This is the laundry area, the auxiliary kitchen. Ito may papunta dito sa carport, and this is the maid's room. Ito yung maid's room. Ayan. May window siya ganyan. Ayan, tutuhusan, may window dyan. Ito sa auxiliary kitchen, luluto dito pag may luto na, abot. Okay, and dito ay yung maid's toilet and bath. So may sariling toilet and bath ang maids. So madilim pa, hindi pa tapos. Okay. So ito yung auxiliary kitchen. with the laundry area. And then dito, ito na po, punta na tayo dito. So ito yung kitchen, and then ito yung dining area. Tapos ito yung pupunta tayo sa second floor. Kaya hagdan. Yan. This is the second floor. Second floor. Second floor. Ito yung room. Another room for second floor. The toilet and bath. Common. Second. Toilet and bath on second floor. And then dito yung linen room. Yeah. This is the linen room. Okay. This is the way for another room. At ito naman yung ano matawag dito? Dito basta second floor. Yan. So, overlooking. Yan, sa baba. Then, this is the master's bedroom. Okay. So, ganito ka, no? So, may mga sinampay dahil yung mga gumagawa ay dito nag-araw. This is the walk-in closet. And the toilet and bath. Master's toilet and bath. Okay. So, this is part of the master's bedroom. Yan. Ganito yung window. Kalaki. Mahangin dito. And then, this is the terrace. Terrace. Yan. May mga bakante pa. And the neighbor. Yan. Okay. And then, sit tayo dun sa another room. So, ito yung master's bedroom. Yan, ito pala. Then, another terrace. Yan. So, yun nga. May propose na sana ito rin. Papunta dun sa terrace. Then, bedroom. Yan. Bedroom. Dalawang malaking window para maliwalas. And this is the second floor. Now, we see there's a third floor. Yeah. This is the third floor. And dito yung entertainment area. At syempre, meron tayong another bedroom dito sa third floor. Then lababo. Pwede rin ito maglagay ng washing machine daw. So this one is another door. Okay. And this one is the toilet and bath of the third floor. This one is the lababo rin dito kasi pwede ko dito magluto-luto. And then dito rin tatayo yung bar. Okay. Then this area, yan. Ganito kalaki dito sa third floor. This is the entertainment area. Ganito kalapad. Okay. Itong ang bar. Then dito yung mga games, hockey. Then dito dito, sofa, and then malaking TV for the video. Okay, kantahan dito, and then yan na our neighbor, bubong nila. Yan. Okay, so ganito rin kalaki yung window, yung malalaking window dito. And this one is the terrace, third floor. Ayan, so nakita natin doon. Ayan, bawali si ate, bahay dito. Okay, and then ito corner. So ito yung third floor, ito yung buong entertainment area, diba? Okay. Then lalagyan ito ng bubong tomorrow. Then ito yung sliding door for the open area. Ito mas malaking ano dito, malaking terrace yan dito. Yan. Okay, yan. Tapos lalagyan pa daw ng bubong dito yan, lalagyan pa ng bubong para hindi ano, para cover na cover talaga siya. Yan. So ito, yan, ito yung terrace dito sa third floor. Lapit na matapos, konting ano na lang. Yan, so ito ang natin nagawa dito. Then another door palabas na, susutan. So yun, and this is the toilet and bath. Siyempre shower ito, ganda. Yan, this is the entertainment area. Yan, so ganito siya kalaki, nalagyan pa ng bar. This is the third floor. Okay, medyo matagal-tagal pa tatapos to. Yan. Okay, so yun, balik tayo uli dito pag ano na, pag alipas ng ilang ano, next month. Okay, so yan, wala pang bubong, kakaroon ng bubong at yung sampalok na puno dyan sa harap puputulin na yun. Okay, so yan yung mga ano, the window, door, another door para sa diretso sa entertainment area. Dito is for the terrace. Okay, yan. Then so ito na bahay, yan na siya, yan na ulit. So ganito kalaki yan, lababo yan, that's it. Okay, yan yung third floor. This is the third floor. Again, this is the third floor, the entertainment area. Okay, baba na tayo. Siyempre may kwarto dito para pag may pumunta at ano, merong mapahingahan, tutulog, hindi na Hindi na kayang pumaba. Dito lang matutulog. Tapos ito, dito yung lagay yung parang washing machine lang. And then parang barbecue. Pwede dito barbecue sa open area. Okay, so baba tayo. Third floor. So ito na. This is the second floor. So ito yung toilet and bath ng second floor. See? Dilim. Tapang ilaw eh. And room. Then another room. Another room. The master's bedroom. And the open area. Yan, and terrace. Okay? So, ito yung high ceiling. Okay? The master's bedroom. Mga nakasampay. Banderitas. Aking mga workers. And then that's the linen room. Yung stock room. Yan, pwede dito. Malaki din yun. Okay, so ito yung second floor. Yan. Okay. So, balik na sa first floor. At syempre, glass window. And then, nakaabang na yung lalagyan natin yung chandelier dito sa stairs. Ito na yung kanya. Yan. Ito yung main door. This is the living area. And then high ceiling siya. Yan. Glass door. Yan. Yan. Another glass window. Glass window. So this one is another parking. Okay. Karte pa dito. So ayan na ang bahay. Okay, so yun lang for the update of this house. Okay, so balik tayo dito after a month kung ano na yung bagong development dito sa house. Bye bye.